Hello students, we are now in lesson 14 where you have to present your written statement of the problem. Do you know the difference between a research question and the statement of the problem? Look at the following examples. Then write as many differences as you can between the research question and the statement of the problem. The statement of the problem is a brief piece of writing that usually comes in the beginning of the report or a proposal to explain the problem or issue the document is addressing to the reader. Research can be defined as a systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. It is normally born out of a problem, hence the phrase statement of problem or problem statement. Statement of the problem can also be described as a claim that outlines the problem addressed by a study. A good research problem should address an existing gap in knowledge in the field and lead to further research. Why do we have a statement of the problem? The ultimate goal of a problem statement is to transform a generalized problem, something that bothers you, a perceived lack, into a targeted, well-defined problem, one that can be resolved through focused research and careful decision-making. Writing a problem statement should help you clearly identify the purpose of the study or project that you will propose. The problem statement will also serve as a basis for directing your reader's attention quickly to the issue that your paper will address and provide the reader with a concise statement of problem itself. A persuasive statement of problem is usually written in three parts. Part A is the ideal. It describes a desired goal or situation and it explains how things should be. Part B is the reality. It describes a condition that prevents the goal, state, or value in Part A, the ideal, from being achieved or realized at this time. It explains how the current situation falls short of the goal or ideal. Part C is the consequences. It identifies the way you propose to improve the current situation and move it closer to the goal or ideal. Let us test what you have learned from the discussion. Write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. In Part B, you have to explain why or why not the given statement of the problem is persuasive enough. Let me read the statement of the problem. The aim of this research is to investigate effective engagement strategies to increase voter turnout in Region 10. It will identify the most significant factors in non-voting through surveys and interviews and conduct experiments to measure the effectiveness of different strategies. Examine if the ideal, the reality, and the consequences are all present in the given statement of the problem, and then explain if it's persuasive enough. It is now your turn to write your own sample statement of the problem, having your chosen research topic in mind. Here is also another example of a statement of the problem which I found on the internet. Good luck in writing your sample statement of the problem. That's all for lesson 14. Thank you for watching.